Right, Dom, hey, let's move on to software. So as we know, hardware needs software and software needs hardware. Tell me a little bit about ROK.
So you say, Ket, server obviously needs an operating system to run. 99% of the time that's going to be Microsoft Windows Server. Lenovo have an offering called Lenovo Rock, Microsoft Windows Server 2022. It's very similar to Microsoft OEM, but it's designed specifically for Lenovo. And in this case, ROK has pre-installed drivers, which can significantly reduce install time. So if you think about installation time on a server being up to a day, potentially, you can reduce that by 50%. That's a big saving both for the partner and also for the customer.
So we can have servers up and running in no time.
It's in no time, but a lot less time.
A lot less time. A lot less time.
An additional point that we should touch on is that you also get 90-day support with ROK, which you
Brilliant.
don't get with OEM.
What about CALs? Can you still get those as well?
You can get the CALs, so you can get the device and user CALs as standard. In addition to that, you can also get RDS CALs and SQL ROK as well. If you think about the cost of SQL as a volume license, for example, buying SQL ROK with your server will save you significant amounts of money as well.
So that's brilliant. So you can get pretty much everything you need to have your server up and running on the Lenovo banner.
Indeed you can.
Fantastic. Well, thanks, Dom, for that.
You're more than welcome, mate.